This is review multiple choice question number 19. So in the given, we had a pulley with no friction, string has no mass, and we have a mass on one side of just plain mass where they made the other block 5 times as much, so we have 5 mass. And they want to know the acceleration. We're going to use 10 for gravity. So I've already written out my free body diagram. We know the tension force in both string has to be the same, so I tried to draw them both the same. But here, the mass is only 1, whereas the other one is 5 times as much. So I made my diagram with a little bigger to show that. And what we wanted to also do is show which direction is acceleration positive. So I'm going to go clockwise. So that makes on this force plot diagram is positive, and on the 5 mass down as positive. Next is to write my sum forces, and I'm going to do it for this block first. So the sum of my forces in this case is F of t is positive minus mass and the gravity, and we have mass and acceleration. And I want to, again, we know I'm working towards that the tension has to be the same in both. So I'm going to solve this one for tension. Then the sum of the forces for the other one would be a negative Ft, and in this case it's 5 mass gravity, and the acceleration is also 5 mass acceleration. I'm going to solve for F of t, and in this case it's going to turn out to be 5 mg minus 5 ma. Now I can set those two equal to each other, so I'm going to have mass and acceleration, mass and gravity is equal to 5 mg minus 5 ma. I have mass in everybody, so I'm going to get rid of my masses. Love when things cancel out. So I now have acceleration and gravity and when I bring things together, I'm going to have a negative 4 on this side for gravity and a negative 6 acceleration on this side. I can get rid of my negative signs, and A is going to be equal to 4 over 6g, which can be reduced down to 2/3 gravity, which was answer number E.